this video, we are going to learn how to make a trifold brochure. So we need to take a custom size sheet, artboard. So here I am taking A4 size dimensions 3508 and 2480 in pixels. We need two artboards, one for the front and one for the back, and 30 pixels bleed with CMYK because we are going to print it out. So let us take a rectangle of same size of the artboard 3508 and 2480. Okay, so you're going to divide this by 3 because it's a trifold brochure. So the width divided by 3 will give you a rectangle like this. So you can duplicate them and select the 3 and duplicate them. Now select all of them, go to Object, Path, Offset Path, minus 30 pixels. Okay, so we've got our offset paths. Now you're going to select all of them, right click and say Make Guides. So we have got our safe area now. Now let us start designing. So we are going to design the inside of the brochure. So what happens when we open it? So let us show it here. First we need to take a rectangle of the same size as the safe area so that it will be easier for us. Okay, now you can just bring it outside. So I want some text here, says coffee. Okay, I want it to be of a bigger size, 72, and it should be of Poppins. Medium. Now we need few coffees. These can be of regular and smaller size. 48 sounds good. Now let us start editing. This will be $15. So what are the different coffees? Filter coffee, latte, Americano, what else? Bullet coffee, then espresso, cappuccino, and so on. You can add as many as you want. So let us align it to the left. let us align it properly with the corresponding prices and group. So this is a group. Same way, group all of them. Now you need to make sure that they are distributed properly, and then you can group them once again. After we group them together, what we are going to do is we are going to take a square. So just make a square like this. So make sure this group goes under the square. Like this. And also space must be same on the top and on the sides as well. So let us make 2 more cards like these, because there are total 3. So here you go, 1 more, and here 1 more. You can ungroup this to make changes. So this can be cakes, this can be snacks. So what do we have in cakes? We have chocolate cake, strawberry, pineapple, black forest, and some more cakes like this. Then we can also have pizza, burger, sandwich, French fries, burrito, nachos, and so on. So once this is done, just group them. So next I want a text which says best sellers. Okay, best sellers, and it should appear in the middle. So I want it to be of bigger size and in afterglow. Okay, can increase the tracking. This looks good. down here I want a shape and I want to mask it with pictures. So let me do a shape first. So once I click, this will appear. I can change the number of sides. I want 3 sides, and I can make it smaller. Like this. You can make 3 of them. Make sure they are in middle of the rectangle. Okay. Okay. So our inside part is ready, but without colors and images, which we'll be dealing with later. Now let us make the outside. So on the outside, this is going to be the front, this is going to be the back, and this is going to be the page that appears when we open. If you see a trifold brochure, when you open it, a part of this page will appear first. So Control V, these are the requirements that we've got. So first I would like to take the logo, make it a bit bigger, and place it over here. Sorry, you need to place it over here. Next I wanted text. It says, what would you like to have today? I want this to be of bigger size. How about 84? Okay. And like 2 sentences here. In Poppins. So this is not enough. And this is too big, so I'll make it smaller. 48. Okay, so let us take one more text once again, try it. I think 36 will be fine. So let us take a text. Let us write 2 sentences here. And I would like to give the same kind of picture here. Now let us select all of these and align them properly. Okay. So make sure that they're equally away from all sides. Now we need to bring this down. Okay. Now this is going to be the back of our brochure. So here we can say, order now. So let us ungroup this. We can take this same thing and say order now, and we can give some of our information from here. I have already taken some icons and some information, so copy, paste. Now you can make this bigger like this. This is a short way of doing it. Okay, so you can make this a group and align it with this. Make this a group, make sure it's in the middle or the center, and then here we can say it's available on Swiggy, Zomato. So on, so here at the bottom we will be having those logos. Now let us design the page that will appear once we open the Trifold brochure. So here I want to say just like a small story, like about us, and some text here, a paragraph. I can increase the spacing so that it looks better. So group these and align it with this rectangle. Okay, so our information is done. Now that we have finished giving all the information, let us start adding the pictures and the colors. So this is a color palette. Let us start filling colors. Okay, so these can be of dark red or lighter red so that they look like headings. Sellers, okay. Now let us start adding the images. So let's bring the images here first. Okay, so we can just start masking them with this shape. So in the similar way, you can start adding all the. So once you're done with that, you can just group these. And start placing them. Now adjust them properly. Also, it's better if we remove the stroke of the rectangle. So let us select all of them at once and ungroup. Now remove the stroke. Nice. On the other hand, over here. Okay. Once this is done, you can bring some kind of background. Okay. So make sure you get it on the bleed as well. So if you think it's dominating too much, you can reduce the opacity to say 50%. You can duplicate this. Also, you need to give the icons here for the available on Swiggy, Zomato. So let us place them. So So let us remove it for the time being. Okay. Okay. So here you go. Your trifold brochure is ready.